let's take up question number 10th. Question number 10th, the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that the same ratio that we proved in the previous question is given. Show that ABCD is the trapezium. So what you have been given in question 9th was कि अगर आपके पास ट्रपीजियम बनता है और इसकी डायगोनल्स एक पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं तो जो डायगोनल्स के पार्ट्स बनते हैं उनकी रेशो इक्वल होती है. डायगोनल AC के जो दो पार्ट्स होंगे उनकी रेशो विल बी इक्वल टू द रेशो ऑफ द पार्ट्स ऑफ द डायगोनल BD. Now in 10th question you have been given कि क्वाड्रिलेटरल है हमारे पास जिसमें ये वाली कंडीशन ट्रू हो रही है दैट क्वाड्रिलेटरल की जो डायगोनल्स हैं वो पॉइंट O पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं और उन डायगोनल्स के जो पार्ट्स हो गए उनकी रेशो बराबर बन रही है. You need to prove that particular quadrilateral is a trapezium. Again, this will be done with the help of construction. Let's just draw a rough figure and then we will discuss further. Either I can share the screen or I can look at your screen. It cannot be done simultaneously. So I will just discuss this answer first and then I'll take a look at your answer. Yes, Kanishka, I'm doing it. I've just paused it. Kanishka, is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
I paused it. So I have got this quadrilateral. Now मैंने draw इसको trapezium की तरह किया है because इसने बाद में trapezium बनना है. So I've just started with the trapezium itself, and the diagonals intersect at O. I'm just going to write down. This is question number 10. I've been given a quadrilateral ABCD now. Diagonals AC and BD intersect at O such that AO upon BO equals to CO upon DO. I'm going to modify this result later on. I will go back to the original result, means AO upon OC is equal to BO upon OD in order to use it. And then I need to prove that this quadrilateral is a trapezium. There will be a similar construction just like the previous question. Construct a line parallel to one of the sides. Just keep in mind trapezium prove करने के लिए आपको prove करना है कि one pair of opposite sides will be parallel. And the pair of sides which will be parallel is AB and DC. हम ये prove करेंगे कि the side AB is parallel to side DC. अगर हम ये prove कर देंगे तो ये वाला quadrilateral trapezium बन जाएगा because there is one pair of opposite sides which is parallel. Now to do that, I will start by constructing a line which is parallel to AB, and then later on I will prove that the same line, the constructed line, is parallel to the other side as well, opposite side DC, and then I can conclude that AB will be parallel to DC. That's what I'm going to do. Like overview करना क्या है, construction लेंगे एक side के parallel, prove करेंगे same line को दूसरी side के parallel, and then you can conclude that the two sides to which the constructed line is parallel are parallel to each other as well, and that will give you your required answer. So what I'm just going to do here is, let's just start by drawing a line parallel to A. And your focus will be to prove L parallel to DC. इस चीज को prove करना है आपको. And then you can write down that AB is parallel to DC, hence ABCD will be a trapezium. Just something you want to remember. Don't write this down in your answer. Construction. So once again, I've just drawn a line partially. You can draw it all the way across. आप दूसरी तरफ भी intersect कर सकते हो. But मेरा focus सिर्फ इधर रहेगा. इधर वाले triangles के. Same triangles which I used in my previous proof. So I'm just going to name this line as L and the point here as E. Now, since this is parallel to AB, I'm going to begin by taking the triangle ABD. So I have one line which is parallel to one side of the triangle. I think I can use DPT now. So I will be using DPT here. And by BPT, I will have the ratio of BO upon OD equals to AE upon ED. Let's mark this as number 1. Anyone who has questions till here?
No, ma'am.
All right.
ऐसे निकल गया था मैम, ऐसे तो बहुत इजी है सम.
किस तरह से?
यस मैम, इस कंस्ट्रक्शन से तो मैम निकल गया था.
Yes, you have done with similarity.
नो मैम, मतलब मैम मुझे लग रहा था कि
Yes.
अगर ऐसे होगा तो ये इजी बहुत है, तो मैम इसलिए मुझे डिफिकल्ट लग रहा था.
Now I'm going back to the result that's been given to me because there is nothing else that I can do. जो मैंने construction की है, construction के according जो चीज़ बननी थी, I have already done that. मैं सिर्फ BPT apply कर सकती थी. In triangle ABD, I have done that. I have obtained the result. Now I have only used the construction thing. जो given था मैंने उसको अभी तक use नहीं किया. Now I'm going to what's given to me. So I have been given that AO upon BO
BO equal to CO upon DO.
Let's interchange these two and go back to the original result. So I have AO upon OC equals to BO upon OD. This is the second result, modifying the given one. Now compare 1 and 2 and tell me what we get.
OE parallel CD.
सीधा आ जाएगा रिदम?
मैंने तो किया हुआ है ना.
नहीं, मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, आपने सीधा बोल दिया ना EO parallel to DC, सीधा आ जाएगा इसके बाद 1
From
and 2 से.
1 and 2.
EO parallel to DC.
नहीं लिखना है AO upon CO is equal to AE upon DE.
Yes, AO upon OC equals to AE upon ED.
DE.
From 1 and 2, we can conclude that the ratio of AO and OC is same as the ratio of AE and ED. And this actually is the ratio of the sides of the triangle that I had taken in the previous question along with triangle ADB. So I will be now focusing on triangle ADC. If you just look at triangle ADC, so you have the ratio of the parts of two sides equal to each other. इस साइड के जो दो पार्ट्स हैं उनकी रेशो और AC के जो दो पार्ट्स हैं उनकी रेशो आपस में इक्वल है. So by converse you can conclude that EO will be parallel to DC. So we have in triangle ADC, AO upon OC equals to AE upon ED. So by converse, of BPT, you will have EO parallel to DC. And now if you just compare or combine this result with the construction that you have done, you will get that AB is parallel to DC. If you want, you
DC.
can mark this result over here as star. And this one can be taken as, you can even mark numbers. So from these two results, I can conclude that AB is parallel to DC, which implies that ABCD is a trapezium. Anyone with any questions? जो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन था उसमें 2 बार बीपीटी यूज होती है, 2 ट्राइंगल्स में दोनों बार बीपीटी अप्लाई होगी, इसमें एक बार बीपीटी अप्लाई होगी, एक बार कन्वर्स अप्लाई होगा. Compare the 2 questions and then remember this. If anyone's writing down, please let me know. Thank you, Sahaj.
No, ma'am.
After this, what we have, we actually have congruence of criteria for similarity. जैसे आपके पास congruence के rules थे, just like those rules, we have the rules for similarity of triangles. अगर हम अपनी definition check करते हैं कि similar कब होंगी दो shapes, so the condition was that their corresponding angles must be equal and the ratio of the corresponding sides should also be equal, which can also be referred to as the corresponding sides in proportion. ये भी बोल सकते हैं. 2 कंडीशंस रिक्वायर्ड थी, लेकिन अगर हम 2 ट्रायंगल्स की सिमिलैरिटी चेक कर रहे हैं तो हर बार हम तीनों के तीनों एंगल्स और तीनों की तीनों साइड्स की रेशो लिख के चेक नहीं कर सकते. It's not possible to do it in all the triangles, all possible pairs of triangles. So there should be a specific rule with a limited set of conditions. 6 कंडीशंस चेक करने की बजाय, 3 एंगल्स और 3 रेशोज चेक करने की बजाय, अगर कुछ लिमिट लग सके कि सिर्फ अगर आप इतनी कंडीशंस चेक कर लो तब भी आपके ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हो जाएंगे, दैट्स व्हाट वी वांट, दैट्स व्हाट वी आर लुकिंग फॉर, एंड दैट इज व्हाट द क्राइटेरिया फॉर सिमिलैरिटी गिव्स यू, अ लिमिटेड सेट ऑफ कंडीशंस which you can verify in order to say whether or not 2 triangles will be similar or not. So the first rule here, actually all these results have been given in the form of theorems here, whose proof is not in your syllabus. So the first theorem that you have is theorem 6.3 on page number 131. And that's the first condition of similarity. Rule is called AAA rule, angle, angle, angle rule. That simply means angles are equal. अब एक बात का आपने ध्यान रखना है, जब भी हम सिमिलैरिटी के रूल्स की बात करेंगे, अगर बीच में एंगल मेंशन है तो एंगल की इक्वालिटी की बात हो रही है, और अगर आपके रूल में साइड मेंशन है तो साइड्स की रेशो की इक्वालिटी मेंशन होगी. साइड्स बराबर नहीं होगी. अगर साइड्स बराबर होगी तो ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाएंगे, उनका साइज मैच कर जाएगा. तो साइड्स की सिर्फ रेशो आएगी, एंगल्स की इक्वालिटी आएगी. Just remember this, in all the criteria for similarity, wherever you find the word A, which is for angle, वो होगा equality of the measure of the angle. जहां पे word use होगा, letter use होगा S, which is for the side of the triangle, उसका मतलब होगा कि हम वहां पे रेशो लिखने वाले हैं, साइड्स की रेशो इक्वल करनी है हमें. So the first rule here says AAA. This would mean कि पहले ट्राइंगल के जो 3 एंगल्स बन रहे हैं वो दूसरे ट्राइंगल के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग 3 एंगल्स के इक्वल बन रहे हैं, and then you can say that the triangles are similar. So if I say angle A here is equal to angle D, angle B here is equal to angle E, and then angle C is equal to angle F here, then by angle rule, the triangles will be similar. And you will just write this down like the congruence thing, कि आपने पहले बताना है कि आपके पास कौन से दो triangles हैं, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. आपके पास जो एंगल्स इक्वल बन रहे हैं या साइड्स प्रोपोर्शनेट हैं वो लिखनी है आपको. सो यहाँ पे एंगल्स इक्वल हैं. फर्स्ट एंगल इक्वल टू फर्स्ट एंगल, सेकंड इक्वल टू सेकंड वन, द थर्ड वन इज इक्वल टू थर्ड वन, and then by angle rule the two triangles will be similar. This is how you're going to write down. The next theorem that you have is theorem